How many goats are in the market? How many students in your class? You use numbers every day. Today we meet the natural numbers. The set of natural numbers written as n contains all counting numbers starting from 0. We write n equals 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on forever. N star is n without 0. Think of it as counting mangoes in a basket. If there are 0 mangoes, there is nothing to count, so n star starts at 1. Every digit has a place value. In 3452, the 3 means 3000s, the 4 means 400s. Position matters. Compare 273 and 289. Both have 200s, so check the tens. 7 tens is less than 8 tens, so 273 is less than 289. We write 273 is less than 289 using this symbol. Remember, the small pointy end points to the smaller number, like a hungry crocodile eating the bigger one. Now compare 1205 and 1052. Same thousands digit, so check hundreds. 200s is greater than 0 so 1205 is greater. So we write 1205 is greater than 1052 using the greater than symbol. The open side always faces the bigger number, the crocodile's mouth. Many students rush and forget to count digits first. 45 has 2 digits, 450 has 3 digits. More digits means bigger number. So 45 is less than 450. Remember, n includes 0, n star does not. And the crocodile always eats the bigger number. That is your memory trick for exams. Great work! Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com and master mathematics, one concept at a time.